In this video, I will show you how to buy Pepe coins on Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Before proceeding, ensure that your Trust Wallet contains either BNB or Ethereum. These are the cryptocurrencies you will need to exchange for Pepe coin. At the bottom right corner of the Trust Wallet interface, tap on the browser icon. Within the browser, type in or navigate to the pancakeswap.finance website. This is where you will conduct the exchange. Once on the PancakeSwap website, locate and select Ethereum as your preferred currency. In the cake section of the PancakeSwap website, search for Pepe using the search bar. Once found, tap on it to select it. Input the amount of Ethereum you wish to convert into Pepe coin. After entering the amount, you will see the corresponding amount of Pepe coin that you will receive. Confirm this conversion. Trust Wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details carefully and proceed with the purchase if everything looks correct. Once the transaction is confirmed and processed, you will now have successfully purchased Pepe coin through Trust Wallet. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.